The crank slider mechanism calculator determines the position, velocity, and acceleration of a slider in a crank slider system. Let's walk through the three input fields. First, we have crank radius, R in inches, where you enter the distance from the crank's center of rotation to the connecting pin. Next is rod length, L in inches, which is the distance between the crank pin and the slider pin. Finally, there's crank angle, μ03b8, in degrees, representing the angular position of the crank measured from the horizontal reference. For our example, let's enter a crank radius of 2 inches, a rod length of 6 inches, and a crank angle of 45 degrees. Click Calculate to process these values. The calculator outputs 3 key results. The slider position tells you the horizontal distance of the slider from the crank center. The slider velocity indicates how fast the slider is moving at this instant, while the slider acceleration shows the rate of velocity change. These values are essential for analyzing mechanism kinematics, designing linkages, and predicting dynamic forces in your mechanical systems. Find the link in the description below.